Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Okay y'all, so today is going to be a Sephora Play unboxing. I feel like I'm like the only person, or the last person in the world to film mine because, well, thing is that my mail lady is afraid of my two dogs, but y'all have seen my dogs, so, but I guess I understand, so. Yeah, so we finally got it. Had to go to the post office and get it. So we're gonna do this today because I have to do a video and get it up by tomorrow. Today's Tuesday. I do it every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you know the drill. Apparently I've become a procrastinator. Usually I'm not, but alright y'all, so if you like to see what I got in my Sephora Play, then just keep on watching. But before we get into this, go ahead and hit the big red support button down below and the notification bell right next to it. That way you can always be notified of my uploads, which are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So come on back to my channel on those days for new content. And without further ado, let's just see what Sephora sent. Alright my loves, and here's what's inside. And if you're unaware or unfamiliar with this box or the other ones, because there's tons of them about, this one retails. This one goes for $10 a month, and I don't think you can pay annually or anything like that. I think it's just a monthly thing. It might have changed since I signed up for it, but when I signed up for it, you could only do monthly. So yeah, it's $10 a month, and typically you will get one of these. It's 50 insider points, but the only drawback is you can only use these in store. So if you don't have a Sephora near you and they're not doing a special where you can do it in store and online, then it will be a waste. Well, not really a waste, you just won't be able to use it unless you make a special trip. If you're like me, you'd have to make a special trip an hour out of your way to go to one, but let's see. Yep, bring the card in store. So yeah, I can't use it. But if you live near one, then you can always use this, and that's a really great deal. We'll look at this in a second. Okay, and I don't know that I've looked at anybody else's except the other ones that I've seen on there are red. What was the differences between the? I'm so sorry. What was the differences between the black and white stripe ones and the red ones? Does anybody know? Maybe I should watch a few of those videos. I usually hold off watching other people's subscription videos if I haven't gotten mine because I want to be surprised in my video, you know. I guess it doesn't matter, but that's just the way I like it. But maybe I should watch theirs to see what the difference was. Okay, without further ado, let's just do this. Okay, so first thing I see is this Caudalie Vena Perfect Essence Concentrate. Okay, so it's an essence. Alright. Does it have a smell? I'd like to see. Well, in there it kind of smells chemically. Like it might have a lot of alcohol in it, but sometimes if it's like this, it does smell like that. Because sometimes perfumes smell like only alcohol. Okay, so it's this. Have you ever tried it? And if you have, let me know. Does that make it better? Does this light make this better or not? There we go. Maybe it does make it a little bit better. I need to invest in some lighting. I also need some money. Bro. But yeah, I need to invest in some light, so. And here's just a little package. I don't know that this is actual packaging or not. It's just a sample, but I will definitely be using that. And everything that I can see is written in a different language. Okay, so it's concentrated brightening essence. The first step to fight against dark spots. The first step to fight against dark spots. This essence combines efficacy I have no idea. And gentleness to reveal the skin's original radiance. Complexion looks more even and bright. Apply morning and evening before your serum on cleansed skin with a cotton pad or the tips of your fingers. Face and neck and avoid the eye contour area. So it's kind of like a toner. Okay. Ooh, second thing I see. This Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the color Party. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. Okay. Can y'all see that? Is this light bothering y'all? I don't know. I need to invest in some lighting. Let's give it a swatch. Oh yeah, that's gonna be pretty. I don't know if you'll even be able to see that, but you can see a little bit of pink right there. That's really pretty though. I've been wanting to try some of these blushes. I kind of missed out on that little, it's like a Tarte book of blushes or whatever it was. For $50, it was a really good deal, but I missed out on it. But this is really awesome. If y'all have this blush, it's in Party, then please let me know. Dear God, what am I even doing? I'm trying to get a little bit of lighting so y'all can see it. There we go. Next thing I see is Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. I've had this before, and it's really, really awesome. It's ultra hydrating. Applied to face day and night after cleansing. For intense hydration, follow up with 100% pure argan oil or 100% argan oil light. Yeah, this stuff is really awesome. It doesn't really have a smell, but I have used this before. I used it as a moisturizer probably a couple years ago now. It was really awesome. So here's that. Okay, and this next thing I see is also from Tarte. And it looks like there's another item in there from Tarte. What is this? Is this a oh, okay, it is a lipstick. All right. And it's called Salt Life with a Y. All right, let's see. That's a pretty lipstick. Okay, I might be obsessed. Y'all know how I love my nude lipsticks. Okay, that's pretty. Really pretty. I like that. I'm trying to get this in some good lighting, and I can't quite get it. I don't know. Okay, and oh, I'm sorry. I didn't show y'all that product very well. It's this packaging, and very pretty. And this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. That's very awesome. Alright, so if you've ever tried this, let me know if you like it. Okay, and then the next thing I see is this a colorful hair mask for gorgeous hair. Rainforest Grown. Plant-derived color complex restores key color pigments. Okay. Strengthens hair for all shades of color-treated hair. After shampooing hair, apply generously all over, comb through, leave in for 15 minutes, and then rinse. Have y'all tried this? And if you have, let me know. Because I don't think I've ever tried any. Dear God, I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand. I know, I need to get some lighting. Sorry, guys. Okay, so let's read about some of the stuff in here. Okay, and here's the little booklet. Alright. Now, apparently this blush is a bestseller. I can say that. It's a pretty blush. It says Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party. A soft, silky powder blush and a Sephora exclusive shade that looks flawless for hours. Well, it's got the good. Why? It's got the goods. Mineral pigments let you layer color without overdoing it. Fine Amazonian clay controls oil and infuses moisture for seamless blending. The result is a glow from within look. Okay, I might be obsessed. Y'all know how I love the glow. And of course, how to use a blush brush and swirl over apples of cheeks and blend along into the cheekbones. Okay, and then the Josie Maran face butter. Here we glow argan. Okay, here we glow argan. Argan? I don't know. A hydrating moisturizer that nurtures, protects, and leaves skin soft, smooth, and glowing. Why it's got the goods. Pure argan oil packed with essential fatty acids and vitamin E, nurtures and protects skin. Watermelon seed oil, shea butter, and coconut. How did I get coconut out of cucumber? I just want to know. Watermelon seed oil, shea butter, and cucumber extract leaves skin smooth, while I got out of aloe. While aloe nectar reduces signs of irritation. Apply a quarter-size amount to face and neck every morning and night after cleansing. Yeah, it was really awesome. I do recommend that. I'd like to get some more of it, but it is pricey. Speaking of all these prices, I can't look them up right now because I don't have my phone in here with me because it is charging, but while I'm editing, I will put the prices up on the screen somewhere. You'll see them. Okay, and then Partner in Vine, the Caudalie Vinyl Perfect Concentrated Brightening Essence. A gentle treatment that removes dead skin so serums and moisturizers can do their thing. This lightweight formula uses glycolic acid, white peony extract, and 100% organic grape water to visibly balance skin tone and even texture and brighten. It's the second best thing to ever come off the vine. After cleansing, use hands or a pad to apply to face and follow with serum and moisturizer. I've been needing to get a toner, so I don't mind to try this. And I will spend more on skincare if I find that it's helping, because I've always heard, my mom's always told me that you should always invest in your skin because it's the only skin you'll ever have. And the Marine Streak. What? Tarte Color Splash Lipstick, Rainforest of the Sea Collection, Salt Life. With a Y. A long wear, full coverage nude lipstick with a satin finish that hydrates and conditions. This ultra creamy lipstick pairs premium pigment with antioxidant rich algae and marine flower extracts. Lips look smoother, fuller, and firmer. Start in the center of the lips and swap outward toward the corners of your mouth using the tapered tip to define. Well, that might be an awesome lipstick. I always like something hydrating for my lips because I do have drier lips. The Tarte Deep Dive Cleansing Gel, Rainforest of the Sea, a hardworking daily face cleanser that leaves skin super soft and hydrated. This face wash removes excess oil, impurities, and even waterproof makeup. Lavender, vitamin C, antioxidant, rich algae, and marine flower extracts soothe and tone skin. Gently massage one pump onto damp skin for 30 to 60 seconds, and then rinse. I have to try that. Haven't really ever thought about it, but it seems pretty cool. And I have a sample, so why not? Okay, and then this month's bonus, because there were 6 items in here. Brightness in Bloom, Rahua Colorful Hair Mask, a hydrating treatment that nurtures hair and brings out vibrant color. Why it's got the goods. Strands will look as good as they feel thanks to the plant-derived ingredients. Rahua oil. Yeah, that's another sentence, and I completely just made that like a run-on sentence. Okay. Strands will look as good as they feel thanks to plant-derived ingredients. Rahua oil pushes pigment deep into the shaft for long-lasting color, while moray, Amazonian clay, and hibiscus strengthen and condition hair. Apply a generous amount to freshly shampooed hair from root to tip and leave in for 10 or 15 minutes and then rinse. That's definitely probably something that I would consider after I've had my hair freshly colored. I am actually due for that, but so it would actually preserve my color. And apparently it says none of this month's selection contain parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. That's why it's called the good stuff. Literally the good stuff. A cleaner beauty routine is easier than you might think. Start with these natural standouts that really work. Alright, y'all, so I guess that's the end of this unboxing. So what did you get in your Sephora Play? Do you get Sephora Play? If not, what boxes do you get and what did you get in them? I'd love to know. I can't believe we are coming upon the month of August, which is actually my birthday month. My birthday is August 30th, and I cannot believe that it is almost here. Literally like a month and a few days. This year is flown. But yeah, so I feel like I'm like the last person in the world to film mine, but it's okay. Need to get the video up anyway, who cares? But yeah, it's almost time to get the August box. I can't believe that. That's my whole point of this. But Alright, y'all, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please like, share, comment, and support, especially if you're new, because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So come on back to my channel on those days for new content, and I really appreciate y'all watching. I love y'all so much, and I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your week, wherever you are, or weekend, whenever you watch this. And yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye. Really?
What?
That would have been really good to put in the video.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure it would.
Really? Come on.
No.
Oh, come on.
No.
Why?
Because you're embarrassing.
That's why it's called a blooper. You're a blooper. Your face is. Alright, y'all. So today's going to be a Sephora Play unboxing. I don't know why I do that. I mean, dear Jesus. Alright, so if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Sephora Play, then just keep on watching. But before we get into this, go ahead and hit the big red support button down below and the notification bell right next to it. That way you can always be notified of my uploads, which are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, where am I going with that? I don't know. Alright, so if you'd like to see what I got my... I don't know. Y'all, and my hair looks terrible. I need to go to the hairdresser. I need to get it cut. I just need to go. I need to go to the hairdresser. And these brows, dear God, something needs to be done with them. Oh, God. Okay. Y'all didn't come to talk about my hair and my eyebrows. I know. Okay. Alright, so if you'd... I don't know why I grabbed this. Alright, so if you'd like to see what I got in my Sephora Play, then just keep on watching. But before we get into this, go ahead and hit the big red support button. Alright, so if you'd like to see what I got in my Sephora Play, then just keep on watching. But before we get into this, go ahead and... Okay, so if you... Alright, so if you'd like to see what I got in my Sephora Play, then just keep on watching. But before we get into this, go ahead and hit the big red support button down below and the notification bell right next to it. And that way you can... Why? Why? Oh my God. Alright, y'all, so if you'd like to see what... I don't even know where I was. Is this Tarte Amazonian Blush, Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Brush. I don't know what I'm even doing. Can y'all even see that? I have a hair on me and I could not find it, but I can feel it. I feel like my hair is looking bad by the minute. Like, the heck. Okay. Back to the video. Okay, now I want to know how I've made this video 18 minutes long. Like, this is one subscription box. What? Oh man, y'all.